At last it's here. The Elizabeth line is finally opening its doors to passengers. And that means it will be easier than ever to get to the Meeting Show, Business Travel Show Europe, TravelTech Show and Teams Europe at London Excel. This is the UK's biggest construction project in a generation, stretching more than 60 miles from Reading and Heathrow in the west, through tunnels across central London and out to Shenfield and Abbey Wood in the east. And the scale really is vast, with broad, airy hallways and swooping escalators leading to platforms more than 800 feet in length. That's longer than the Titanic. With Excel having its own dedicated Elizabeth line station, in addition to 2 existing DLR stops, it will cut journey times by up to 2/3. Visitors from central London are now able to reach the venue in as little as 12 minutes, with door-to-door from Heathrow taking just 43 minutes. In short, the Elizabeth line will give visitors more of that most precious of commodities, time. We can't wait to see you at the shows.